Here's another online auction by Bartkus Auctioneers. Welcome to the country. This magnificent wooded getaway in northwest Allen County sits on 1.45 acres and offers 2,200 livable square feet. This home has various updates, including a newer kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, newer vinyl windows, exterior doors, and a gorgeous deck that wraps clear around the back of the home. In addition to this, a new roof was installed in 2018. The spacious kitchen boasts plenty of cabinet space, tile countertops, tiled floors, and beautiful tile backsplash. The walkout basement offers 2 different patio doors that lead out to a huge covered relaxation paradise. The basement features 2 rooms which can serve as a den, craft area, exercise room, or entertainment space. The master bedroom and second bedroom are located on the main floor, and 2 nice-sized bedrooms are on the upper level. Spend time out in the fresh air as you enjoy the backyard that's landscaped beautifully all the way back to the Willow Creek that borders the north side. Then you can take all your hobbies down to the 24 by 32 insulated outbuilding that includes a 9-foot lean-to. Please go to bartkusauctioneers.com to register and bid, or contact Steve Bartkus for more information. This auction closes Wednesday, April 14th at 6 p.m.